2025 Hyundai Sonata. Unfortunately, the changing times made Hyundai sedans that were popular in their time will be replaced with new models. This change is in line with Hyundai's focus on electrification. Reporting to the South Korean news page Chosun, Hyundai has decided to produce the popular sedan no longer. Hyundai revealed that it has not yet started the development of the latest generation of Sonata. It is no secret that Hyundai is replacing its lineup with a new model. But the replacement of the Sonata is not predicted to happen anytime soon, because the facelift version of the Hyundai Sonata is prepared for release next year. That gives it an extra 5 to 7 years before Hyundai actually puts the Sonata name to sleep from its model lineup. In addition to entering the realm of electrification, changing market conditions are predicted to be Hyundai's most significant reason for shutting down Sonata. The automotive market, which prefers SUVs, is suspected to be the cause. The Sonata is not the only sedan to be trimmed as a result of this shift in demand. Other manufacturers decided not to produce sedan model anymore. Among them are the Chevrolet Cruze and Chevrolet Impala, to the Ford Fusion and Ford Focus. However, a South Korean newspaper, Car and Driver, reported that Hyundai is considering stopping the 9th generation Sonata's development. The next generation model is supposed to arrive sometime in 2025. However, according to an Mouse Insider report by Chosun, the midsize Sonata will be after the life cycle of the H-Gen sedan in. Through that, Hyundai has not confirmed the veracity of the report. In addition, a company spokesperson told Car and Driver that the Sonata remains and will continue to be an essential part of Hyundai's product range.